PSA. So hey YouTube and my family, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to unbox, yes, this is my first unboxing video on my channel. We are going to unbox world's smallest keyboard. So you can see that how small it is. It can fit in my one palm. You can see the specifications that there had been specified that it's mini keyboard, world's most mini wireless keyboard and mouse combo, means that it have touchpad. It can connect to PCs, notebooks, netbooks and tablets. Also it can connect to a smartphone, any phone with OTG, smart TVs and Android TV boxes. So let's see what we can get inside the box. The keyboard comes in a bubble wrap, which is quite good. Also we get an micro USB charging cable. And what else we get? I think it's manual. Yes, we can get a manual, but no one read. Let's come to the main point, the keyboard. You can see how small it is. It's world's mini keyboard. It comes with a glossy finishing, which is quite good. I like that. Also the buttons are rubberized, so it gives you a nice feeling while typing. This is the touchpad. Here they have shown some symbols. For the left click of your mouse, you can just click one tap for left click, 3 fingers tap on right click and 2 fingers for scrolling. This is a very handy type. And what else we get in the back side? There is grip. You can also use it for gaming on your PCs. You can hold it like this. Here's an micro USB charging port. Here's an power off on button. Downside it nothing, right, left, nothing. So the main part, that how shall we connect it with your phone, PCs, laptop, etc. Do you have any idea? Does it connect with the Bluetooth?
No.
For that you will get a receiver inside that, nearby the battery. So here's the receiver, like that. So you can connect it with your laptop and with Android phone with OTG. Here we can get an removable battery, so no need to worry, you can change it whenever you want. So let's close it. The receiver is like normal USB. You will only connect it with OTG for your smartphone and easily connect it with your PC. No point of comparing these two keyboards because this is normal size keyboard and this is the world's smallest mini keyboard. You can see the size. You can see all the buttons. And what about the touchpad? You can see the normal size touchpad and world's smallest mini keyboard touchpad. You can see the right left buttons. Here's the right left buttons. And also if you can get here. Now let's see the buttons flexibility. I like this because it comes with a clicky sound. Okay, so we can connect it with your phone, TV, tablets. For now I am connecting it with my tab. Let's see the receiver. We cannot put the receiver directly into tab or any phone, smartphone. For that we need an OTG adapter which is easily available in the stores, any stores. It's look like this. Just connect it and it's converted into micro USB now. It's ready to connect now. Let's connect it and just turn on the keyboard. It's very easy to connect, no need of settings is there because it's not Bluetooth. Just power it on and see the orange light blinking. Whenever it stops blinking, just it has been connected. See, now the orange light has been stopped blinking. That means my keyboard has been connected to my tablet. You can see the cursor like laptop. It's very smooth. The response is quite good. I like the response so much because it doesn't delay to responsive. So now let's check the typing. So let's open YouTube and type something. Also you can see the scroll with 2 fingers. I'm scrolling it now. Okay, first we will type something here. For example, I'm typing just my channel's name. The typing is quite good. I did not feel any confusion in typing the words. The words are clearly visible, then do it small. Now we will scroll it with 2 fingers. You can see it's also very smoothly working. These are the back buttons. Just like PCs and laptops, we can get here recent apps. But I don't know whether it works in smartphone because I am using it my tab. See, these are the left buttons. From the mouse, we can swipe up by just hold the left button. All the functions are the same, only the difference is we can operate it from a long distance. Now let's come to the main feature, that is function plus F2. This is specially a backlit keyboard. So in dark you can see all the buttons clearly visible. You can also change the light. Actually it's called RGB keyboard, red, green, blue. But it has 7 different shades. So you can just change it by scrolling the touchpad. You can see the 7 different colors. I have got red. I can change it to blue, green. So usually I like to keep it on green. If you want to purchase the same product from where I have purchased, you can just click the link given below in the description box and purchase the original one from there, from Amazon. There are no defaults in my one because all the functions are working smoothly. You can see the volume button. The response time is very good. I can mute it whenever I want. And there are many shortcuts in these all keys. You can connect it with your tab or for smartphones. You can connect it with your TV. You can connect it with your laptop or PCs. Hope you all guys enjoyed this video. If you like this keyboard, just please leave a like on this video. If you are a gamer, this keyboard will give battery support from hours to hours, from 15 to 20 minutes charge. Its battery backup is very good. You can also change the battery if any defaults is there in your piece. Please subscribe this channel for more amazing videos like this.